Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Stripe account in India. So, Stripe supports Indian businesses, but Indian users must register as a business, not as an individual person, like sole proprietorship, not as an individual person. But sole proprietorship with GST or MCA registration is okay. Now, personal accounts with official business details often won't be accepted. So step 1 is preparing required documents. So before you begin, make sure you have a registered business entity in India, example private LTD, LLP, partnership or sole proprietorship with GST. Now, you should also have PAN of your business, GSTIN, bank account details in business name, identity of the authorized representative, and Stripe may ask for verification documents later. Now, simply navigate to Stripe sign up page. So navigate to any browser, go to the search bar and type in Stripe sign up, hit enter. Now, click sign up and create a Stripe account. When you click this link, it will take you to this page. Here, you'll have to simply click country and make sure you search for India. Now, choose India. Now, enter your email, full name, password and click create account. Make sure you choose India. Now, when you'll be choosing India, it will show Stripe is available by invite only in India. Please request an invite to onboard in India. So click on this request an invite link, that is this text in purple, and when you click this text, it will take you to this page. Here, you'll have to simply enter your work email. So enter the work email here and click continue. After you do this, it will take you to another page where it will say wait for the invitation. After doing this, you'll simply receive an email from Stripe through which you'll be easily able to join Stripe. Simply click the link in the email and you'll be easily prompted to the page where you can enter your information like business email, full name, password, choose the business type. Stripe will also ask you for your legal business name, registered business address, business PAN, GSTIN, company website. Also, you can set your bank under payout on Stripe. After you do all these, you would have successfully opened your Stripe account in India. But make sure you click this request an invite button and wait for Stripe to send you an invite. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.